Welcome to the Volza tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the country section of Volza. Let's get started. The country section gives you access to global export and import data from over 78 plus countries. To access the countries section, click Countries option here. In this section, you will get the comprehensive overview of all countries that share their trade information with Volza. Currently, we have a live database of 481 countries. Each country releases its trade data in a different way. To make your search simpler and more efficient, Volza has categorized countries into 5 distinct types based on their data availability and release patterns. These are T1, T2, T3, T3+, and T3+ rare. Let's start with the T1 category. In this category, you'll get statistical trade data, including key details such as HSN code, country of origin, country of destination, and several other essential parameters that help you analyze trade trends effectively. Next is the T2 category. This category offers one-sided details, along with statistical information. This means you'll get data that includes either the importer's name or the exporter's name. Next comes the T3 category. This is one of the most comprehensive data types available on Volza. In this category, you'll get access to the consignee name, shipper name, and the statistical details. Now there is T3+ category. In this category, along with the consignee name and shipper name, you'll also get information about the notifying party and the declarant party. Now comes the T3+ rare category. This type of data is considered rare because these countries do not release their data publicly. While the complete data might not be available, Volza provides approximately 40% coverage for these countries, giving you valuable insights that are otherwise hard to obtain. Below each country, you'll find download points mentioned. These indicate the number of points required to download per shipment data for that particular country. You'll also see the start date and end date mentioned. These show the time range of the data available with Volza for each country. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helped you understand the country section better. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for Schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.